Taking you through how to make a simple chopping board. Now, firstly, to make the chopping board is going to be 250 millimeters by 150 millimeters. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to choose my rectangle tool. I'm then going to go over to the top right and double check that grid lock is selected, which it is. Okay, I'm going to go top left and I'm just going to click, and I'm looking in the bottom left, just here where my cursor is now, at how large the rectangle is. Can you see at the moment I've got it 20 millimeters by 150. So I'm happy with the 150. Okay, but I'm just going to go along and I'm using my arrow keys and I'm going to go along to 250 and I'm just going to press enter. Super, that's how large my chopping board is. Now, if I want to zoom in, okay, I'm going to use this tool here, which is the zoom in tool. Okay, I'm going to click, I'm just going to draw a box around there and it zooms into where I want to be. If you ever want to get back to the main page, okay, all you need to do is hold down, so click and hold down here and then go along to media. That takes you back to here. Right, what I'd like to do is add a little border to my chopping board. Okay, I think I'd like to add a 7 millimeter border. Now, I could go here and I could go to contour. Okay, contour is a really useful tool for us. If I click contour, it asks me how big a contour I want. I'm going to change that to 7 millimeters. No, actually, do you know what? I'll go 8 millimeters. Excellent. Right, now notice that my cursor has changed to a little hand that says locate. Okay, on the inside of my rectangle, I'm going to click there. Now what that's done is it's made a 7 millimeter line on the inside of my rectangle. Now again, if I went there, that would happen the same. Now, and if I went there, that would happen the same. And if I go there, that will happen the same. Notice if I went to the outside, click, okay, it's going to give me a contour line on the outside of my rectangle, which is not what I want. Okay, now I'm going to go over here and press delete any. Okay, and I'm just going to delete this part. Delete any takes the whole line away. Okay, so if I wanted to delete the whole line, I can do that. However, I don't. So I'm going to go back to 8 millimeters. I'm going to add that back in there. And I'm going to hold down delete any and click this, which is delete part. Okay, now what I want to do is take away these little sections. And there we go. I'm happy with where I am. Please get to that stage and move on to the next video. Thank you.